Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today, our topic of discussion is Introduction to Cage or Aviary Birds. Cage or aviary birds are classified into three categories. The first category is birds of prey or raptors. The second category is pet or domesticated birds. And the last category is wild birds. Birds of prey or raptors include species of bird that primarily hunt and feed on vertebrates. Similarly, the term domestic describes any bird that has been bred within the country it resides in, whereas the term wild describes any bird living independently of man. Birds of prey have special characteristics that set them apart from other birds, which include curved claws, sharp feet, strong eyesight, and hooked beaks. Moreover, they are aggressive in nature and therefore need restraint. The examples are falcons, hawks, eagles, kites, and vultures. Except for vultures, which eat animals that are already dead, the other birds of prey are hunters. This is peregrine falcon, hawk, bald eagle, golden eagle, and harpy eagle. This is red kite, turkey vulture, and California condor. Now we will discuss the second category, pet or domesticated birds. Domesticated birds may be domestically or aviary bred, and pet are most desirable. They are more social and develop bonding with family members. Their speech ability is very good. They have no fear of human and therefore copulate freely in people presence. Finches are the smallest of pet birds. Canaries. Years ago, canaries used to be the most popular variety of pet birds. Male canaries are noted for their beautiful songs. However, female canaries don't sing. Budgerigars, they are commonly called parakeets. Budgerigars are animated, playful, and can be very affectionate if hand tamed. They are surprisingly good talkers. These are small parrots African grey parrot. African grey parrot is probably the best talker of parrots. Its ability to imitate sounds and human voice is unmatched. Cockatoos are highly intelligent and very sensitive. Macaws are the largest of parrots. This is scarlet macaw, blue and gold macaw. Now we will discuss the third and last category of wild birds. Wild birds exist free in natural environment. They are aggressive on capture. They are not social. They don't show breeding in captivity. No taming, क्योंकि ये नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट के अंदर रहते हैं, so you cannot tame them. They may be the source of disease, therefore they need quarantine. क्योंकि ये डोमेस्टिकेटेड नहीं होते, ये नेचुरल इन्वायरमेंट के अंदर रहते हैं जहाँ पे डिजीज के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, इनकी वैक्सीन नहीं होती, इनकी मेडिकेशन नहीं होती, सो दे आर द सोर्स ऑफ डिजीज. इसलिए जब आप इनको कैप्चर करते हैं तो इनको क्वारंटीन में रखें ताकि जो इनका किसी भी डिजीज का इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड है वो गुजर जाए. इन डोमेस्टिकेशन of wild birds, licensing problem may arise. In some countries, क्योंकि डिजीज के सोर्स होने की वजह से इनको लाइसेंस लेना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Thank you very much.